since you've all seen this Wheku before, where can you commonly find this particular piece or particular carving? Majority of the time, you can find, the face itself or the carving itself on the apex of our meeting houses. So in our culture, we have these things called wharenui, or fully carved meeting houses that are named after our ancestors. And at the apex, it'll be either a carved face, this one here, or the other variations, a carved figure, or sometimes both. So this kind of serves as the face of our ancestor, because at the very top you have his face, and they have maihi on the side, which are barge boards that are like the arms of the meeting house. So that's where you can commonly find, like, how do I say, a mask or the Wheku, pretty much.